Hello, class. I wanted to create a quick video to answer a question concerning XLSTAT. Specifically, the question was, where do I find it? Now, by the way, you don't need to do this. This is really just a matter of preference. I use StatCrunch for everything, so I don't use Excel at all. But if you wanted to use Excel and you wanted to add, bells and whistles to your Excel, this XLSTAT.com /en//download will bring you to this page. And at first you get nervous. You see 14-day free trial. And of course, my first question is, does that mean I have to pay after 14 days? And the answer is no. On the left side, you'll notice here it says, the trial is followed by a complimentary lifetime edition. Okay, so it is free. Now, if you want, really all of the bells and whistles from XLSTAT, there is a subscription you can pay for additional tools, but the basic version should be good enough, and it's free, lifetime, limited edition. So you would click here to download, and once you download, there's plenty of support videos, tutorials, and guides on how to use XLSTAT. And again, I don't use Excel for any of this. You don't need to use Excel for this. StatCrunch is very handy, and it works very well. And it's just very user-friendly, and there's a lot of support for StatCrunch. Okay, so that's really up to you. But while we're here, let's open up an Excel spreadsheet, and let's do a histogram, because I think that was part of the question. If I highlight my data and then click Insert, and to the right, you'll see Recommended Charts. So I click Recommended Charts. And this almost looks like a histogram. I see a pie chart. So I'm going to click this button, and I click OK. And it summarizes this data, right? So my frequency would be on the left, and the number of customers would be on the right. Now, I notice there's no titles here, right? So let me delete this. And I'm going to highlight customers and frequency. And then I'm going to insert my chart. Let's see if it will add the labels for us. It might not. I click on it, I hit OK, and it did not. So we're going to have to do that manually. Next, so remember, a histogram, all the bars would be touching. So to change the look of this, really what looks like a bar chart, I hit Quick Layout, and then it looks like number 8 here is a histogram. So I click Histogram. And now you see I have my labels, axis title, so I can double click this and type in number of customers, right? And then it's summarized here. If I double click this, trying to highlight everything. Let's see here. I'm going to type in the word frequency. And, you could change this to whatever you want. Yada, 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 whatever you want to, use the table, label your histogram, you type up there. But that's pretty much a histogram. Okay, so that didn't require a lot of work, right? All I did was I highlighted my data, I clicked Insert, I look over here for the recommended chart, try to find a chart that looks like the type that I'm looking for, right? So if I want a pie chart, that would be something different. And you know what, let's do a pie chart. So here's some data, and if I highlight my data, I click Insert, Recommended Chart, pie chart's what we want for this one. I click OK. And again, I could change the title. But what was nice is you see how my labels here, less than 9th grade, they do that for us, right down here. Less than 9th grade looks like that's dark blue. And you can see that would be over here. 9th grade to 12th grade, no diploma was red. And then you see that down here. And up here we have it. So this is a quick way to insert charts. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.